Here are the new slimes that I've just restocked. First is Gold Bar. This is a gorgeous metallic DIY slime that comes with 2 fake gold bars for you to mix into the base, which looks like melted gold. It is scented like a combination of caramel and creme brulee, and once everything is mixed, it becomes a semi-jiggly slime. Next is Lemonade Crush. This is a crunchy bingsu slime that is scented like lemons. It comes with the most adorable lemon charms for you to decorate the slime. It inflates the more you play with it and is great for crunches and pops. Here's Chocolate Glazed Donut. This is a DIY slime that comes with all the add-ins shown for you to decorate your own sprinkled chocolate donut. It smells super sweet and chocolatey and becomes fluffy once everything is mixed. This is one of my new personal favorites from the restock since it looks so delicious and I totally recommend it. Finally, here's Golden Honey. This is one of my best-selling clear slimes that I've been selling for more than 2 years now and wanted to showcase it again with a new label. This slime comes with a small honey stick and has 2 honey and bee charms inside.